This one is your. What is this? This one is your transformer. Okay. What a transformer is? This is your transformer means that transfers power or energy from one circuit to another circuit. That means, suppose this one is your this is the symbol of transformer. Suppose transfers energy from one circuit to another circuit. This one is your one circuit, that is called your primary circuit, and this one is your secondary circuit. Primary circuit means we are giving input supply to the winding, that is called primary winding, and that is your primary circuit. And the winding that we get output voltage, that is called what? Your secondary winding. Clear? And from the secondary side we get the output voltage. Clear? So definition of transformer is, it is a static electrical device that transfers energy from one circuit to another circuit. Clear? That transfers energy from one circuit to another circuit. There are two circuits, primary circuit and secondary circuit. Clear? Achha. Next point is, why this one is your static device? Why a transformer is the static device? Why? It is because static means what? What do you mean by static? Static means stationary. There is no rotating part. Clear? Have you seen any rotating part inside the transformer? No. There is no rotating part. So this one is a static device. Clear? And what about this fan or motor? There is a rotating part, that is called a rotor or shaft. So that is a rotating part, and there is no rotating part. This one is called your static device. And next one, in transformer, transfers energy from one circuit to another circuit, keeping frequency constant. Clear? Keeping frequency constant. That means the frequency that is given at the input side, we get output voltage of that frequency, of the same frequency. Clear? That means if I give here and 50 Hertz as the input frequency, then we get output here as 50 Hertz. Clear? That means frequency remains constant throughout the system. And now is the principle of operation of transformer. Transformer operates on the principle of electromagnetic induction. Okay? And so what do you mean by electromagnetic induction? Electromagnetic induction means, suppose this is your transformer and here is the output voltage. When we give supply at the primary side, that means which type of supply? AC supply.